Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically move emails to a specific folder in Outlook. So do you want to keep your inbox neat and organized without doing it manually? All right, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically move emails into folders in Outlook web app so every email lands exactly where it belongs. The first thing I'd like you to do is to head over to outlook.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Then once you're signed in the top right corner of the page, just go ahead and click on the gear icon to open the quick settings. So once you look to the left navigation, you're going to find a couple of options here: account, files, general, mail, calendar, and people. So just go ahead and click on mail. And once you click on mail, you are going to see a couple of options at the side. In the full settings menu, which you find on the side, go ahead and click on rules. And once you click on rules, the next thing you're going to see is this add new rule button. So go ahead and click on the add new rule button. Now here's where you define what emails get moved to where. So name your rule. Here in this communication bar, you can do something like move all YouTube emails to social folder. You can write it there. And here we have add a condition. You can choose one from the examples. So choose one from here. Let's say move all YouTube emails to social folder. So add a condition like when, let's say, I'm on the tone line, when I'm on the CC line, when this, all of this, so just go ahead and add the rule from the drop down, and that's just gonna be it for you. Then the next thing you have to do is add an action. So you can choose move to here, then select the folder where the emails should go to. So if the folder doesn't exist yet, just go back to your inbox and create it fast. Okay, so that could just be how that's just an example. You can just go ahead and freestyle. Just name your rule, add a condition, add an action, and that's just how it works. So scroll down and click on the save button when you're done applying. The rule is now active and it will run automatically for all incoming messages. So that's how it works. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.